Y-MECH lift from Totalkare is uniquely designed to provide extraordinary freedom of movement and is the ideal solution where a fixed position for lifting operations is required. A real heavy-duty lift, it's available with lifting capacities from 25,000 to 35,000 kilograms. And with platform lengths ranging from 6 to 13 meters to suit, the Y-MECH lift is tailor-made for some of the heaviest vehicles on the road. The Y-MECH lift can be surface or recessed mounted and can also be supplied with optional extras like jacking beam or lighting. If you're looking for a heavy-duty lifting solution for a wash bay, the Y-MECH can even be supplied as a fully galvanized model to provide protection from water ingress. Speak to our team today for a bespoke quote or to arrange a free site survey.